Now, this is the one when Ren made a comment about accessory coverage. The one that I think is one of the most important is the medical payment coverage. That to
Probably
me is
one of the most misunderstood as well.
And right, you're right. This is probably one of the most misunderstood coverages as well. Again, a lot of people in New York think that we've got the old no fault rules and got your personal injury protection. And that would cover for anybody in your car or the driver that are injured and need medical coverage. Well, that is not the same on a motorcycle policy. Unfortunately, they don't provide that. So if you do need any kind of medical coverage, you do need to have medical payment coverage on your motorcycle. That's going to provide you with coverage for anybody who is injured on your bike or you as a driver as well. This coverage is definitely more of an but it is an expensive coverage. People don't realize how much this is. But a lot of people say, well, I've got health insurance. Okay, you do have health insurance, and as hopefully most of us do. But a lot of times people have a very high deductible on their health insurance as well. So
high co-pays.
Co-pays as well. So just to even have like $5,000 worth of coverage, medical payment coverage, that could, alleviate a lot of the cost for your deductible as well. So I think everybody should have medical payment coverage of at least $5,000. It is an expense. But again, if you don't have health insurance or if you have a high deductible, or the other thing is you have to think about, sometimes you let a friend drive your bike who hasn't been working or is out of work or is unemployed and they don't have health insurance and they don't have a car and they get injured. Well, they're not going to be covered at all underneath your bike. So,
and that's the thing. Maybe when you buy your motorcycle insurance at the time you have health insurance, but at the point where you have the claim, maybe you're in between jobs and you don't have it and you never thought to call and update your motorcycle policy to get that coverage, you'd be out of luck. And like Marianne says, that is probably one of the more expensive coverages to get, because if you're in an accident on a bike, you're going to have medical bills.
Yes.
And they know that and they charge for it, but it's worth it.
Yes, for sure.